Hello guys, welcome to another video. So this time again the Alfa 75 with the torsion bars. As you may know, I broke a torsion bar and I thought on the beginning that the torsion bar was mounted upside down or something, but no. The bars have some markings here. On the right side it has a D for dextra, in the left side it has a S for sinistra, all in Italian, and also on the back side, pointing to the rear of the car, to the rear of the back of the car, we have here the letters D on the bar, on the top of the bar, and the letters S. I can show you on the bars itself. And also we have here 34 teeth or splines. And on the front part, on the lower control arm, we have 35 splines. So it is impossible to switch them around very easily. It will be easy to switch them left to right, but on my case, that is not what happened. The bar just broke. I guess I have bad luck, but okay, let's push on and try to solve this. Where did I get my torsion bars? It was here on Greece. I leave you here this business card, so you to search your parts if you want to, if you need to. And also on the description below, I leave more information and links for this person. It was a really nice conversation with them. They helped me a lot on this process. I totally recommend you to call this company. About the assembly of the bars, I will not do it because I already did it. I leave you the link here and also on the description below to how to remove and tune your torsion bars. So I'll do exactly the same, and I just keep you posted as the video goes on, okay? So I already removed the bars. This one, it was already broken, and I took it a few weeks ago. And the left one is over there. Like I told you on the other video, I think this bar has some play on the splines there. I already kind of mounted the left one just to see if I have play. I'm still trying to figure that out. This bar here, this new bar, has that V for dextra or right, and it has 34 splines over here. On the other side I have KH. I really don't know what that means, but it says on both bars KH. But this is 35 splines. It's thicker, in fact. And this has 34. So it's impossible almost impossible to switch it front to back. But it is possible to switch it right to left. On my case, they were not switched. It's really just bad luck, I think. And I have to mount the D on the right side and the S on the left side. All assembled. However, it is a bit too low. I was trying to copy the same measurements I did on the last video, but these springs are different in their torsion, just maybe because those ones are already tired. I have to raise it up just a spline on each end, and it's riding on the shock absorber, on the bump stop of the shock absorber, and that's not good at all. And plus the lower control arm is very steep. It's no good for the handling, despite being I really like it in this way, very beautiful. Cannot be like this. Okay, I will do one more spline on each end, then see if the car rides well. And don't forget to get an alignment, because every time you raise or lower your suspension, your toe in and toe out will change as well. Mainly the toe in and the toe out. Okay, we actually can see it's toeing out at this point. Okay, just a little bit. I hope you like this follow-up video about my Alfa 75. I'll leave you in the description below several links for the suspension rebuild, the engine and so forth. Also for the supply of the parts, the used parts from Greece. I'll leave all in there. See you next week. Bye.